everyone, welcome back to Delicious Cravings. Today I have an amazing treat to share with you. We're making a delicious and healthy apple loaf cake that is perfect for any occasion. So let's get started and dive right in. Okay, as you can see, I'm using 3 apples here. Unang-una natin dapat gawin ay balatan ng apple. Yung size na napili ko is katamtaman lang, not too big or not too small. Kaya kung malaki yung nabili nyo, pwede nyo naman i-adjust kung ilan yung gagamitin. And hiwain nyo siya ng kagaya ng ginawa. And then, nag-squeeze ako ng lemon sa recipe na to. Siguro, it is about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and then I put 1 cup of dark brown sugar and then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then just mix it. So makikita nyo pag natunaw siya, magiging ganito na yung mixture ng apple kapag nahalo na mabuti yung sugar, cinnamon, and apples. Then let's prepare the dry ingredients. In a bowl, just add all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. I-follow nyo lang yung nakalista sa recipe to. And at this point, yung sinet aside nating apple kanina is I will add in this dry ingredients. Then mix well to coat the apples and combine evenly. Nasa point na to, I put 2 whole eggs. And then I put 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. And then just add the 2 teaspoon vanilla syrup, as you can see. Sa point na to, ay nag-melt ako ng butter. Siguro, I think 1/3 of butter. Sa whole butter na, 1/3 cup, 1/3 nun, and then it will make 1/2 cup of melted butter. Okay, and then mix well. And then gumamit pala ako ng 2 loaf pans. Ang size niya is 6x3. Sa punto na to, I use yung isa is plain lang. I didn't put chopped walnuts, and yung the other loaf pan is I folded in chopped walnuts. This is a mixture ng apple batter ko. Kasi sa mga yung ibang family member ko ayaw ng may nuts. So that's why yung isa is plain lang and the other one is merong nuts. Like as you can see, nag-add din ako ng almonds on top. And then, let's put it inside my air fryer basket. I didn't need to preheat this. So, just as it is. Pinaso ko lang siya and then set it to the bread. Meron siyang bread option sa air fryer. I'm using Simplus. And then, naset ko siya to 175 degrees Celsius. And then, that's for 25 minutes. Yay! Luto na yung apple loaf cake natin. As you can see. Ang ganda ng pagka-brown niya. Alright. And that's it. Pati nga pala ito lutuin sa oven. So, same temperature lang, and then approximately it will be baked for 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you made it this far, I want to thank each and every one of you for joining me on this culinary journey. And that's it. So thank you so much, and remember, in this kitchen, it's all about love and happiness through food. So no hate, just love. Thanks for watching.